This is why you need to consider land ownership. It signifies freedom, security, and the potential for future prosperity. Unlike stocks or bonds, land is a tangible asset. You can see it, touch it, and build your dreams upon it. Whether you envision a family home, a vacation retreat, or a shrewd investment, land ownership offers a unique sense of accomplishment. Imagine designing your dream home, brick by brick, on a plot of land that you own. Picture yourself enjoying breathtaking sunsets from your porch, surrounded by the tranquility of nature. This is the allure of land ownership, the ability to create something meaningful, something lasting, on a piece of earth that you can call your own. Land is a finite resource, and its value tends to appreciate over time. As populations grow and urban sprawl continues, the demand for land increases, driving up its worth. This makes land ownership not just an emotionally rewarding endeavor, but also a potentially lucrative investment. However, navigating the complexities of buying land can seem daunting, especially for first-time buyers. This guide will provide a step-by-step roadmap to simplify the process, equipping you with the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions. Let's embark on this journey together and turn your dream of land ownership into a tangible reality. Welcome viewers to Pamuka Wealth Empire. Please comment your answers to the questions and stay engaged. Before you jump into the exciting world of land buying, thorough research is crucial. This is the foundation upon which your land ownership journey will be built. Start by defining your objectives. What do you envision for this land? Are you looking to build your dream home, start a farm, or simply hold on to it as an investment? Once you have a clear vision, determine your preferred location. Consider factors like proximity to work, schools, amenities, and the overall neighborhood vibe. Research the zoning regulations in your desired area. Zoning laws dictate how you can use the land, whether it's residential, commercial, agricultural, or a combination of these. Explore different neighborhoods and compare land prices. Online real estate platforms, local newspapers, and real estate agents can be valuable resources for gathering this information. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make sound decisions throughout the buying process. Buying land is a significant financial undertaking. It's crucial to establish a realistic budget before you start house hunting. Determine how much you can comfortably afford as a down payment. Keep in mind that land loans typically require a larger down payment than traditional mortgages. Factor in additional costs like closing costs, property taxes, insurance, and potential development expenses. These costs can add up quickly, so it's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial obligations. Get pre-approved for a loan from a reputable lender. This will give you a clear idea of how much you can borrow and help you narrow down your search to properties within your price range. Remember, it's always wise to buy less land than you can afford. Once you've found a piece of land that piques your interest, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. Schedule a site visit during daylight hours to thoroughly inspect the property. Pay close attention to the topography, soil conditions, and drainage. Walk the entire perimeter of the land, noting any easements, encroachments, or potential hazards. Consider the land's accessibility. Is it easily accessible by road? Are utilities like water, electricity, and sewage readily available? If not, factor in the cost of bringing these utilities to the property. Don't hesitate to ask questions. If you're unsure about something, consult with a qualified professional like a surveyor, engineer, or environmental consultant. Step 4. Legalities. Navigating the legal landscape. Navigating the legal aspects of buying land can be complex, but it's a crucial step to ensure a smooth transaction. Hire a reputable real estate attorney to guide you through the process. They will review the purchase agreement, title report, and other legal documents to protect your interests. Order a title search to uncover any liens, easements, or encumbrances on the property. This will ensure that you're acquiring clear title to the land. Review the survey to confirm the property boundaries and identify any discrepancies. Understand the zoning regulations and any restrictions that may affect your plans for the land. Remember, legal matters can be intricate. Having a skilled attorney by your side will provide peace of mind and ensure that your investment is protected. Step 5. Making the purchase, sealing the deal. With all the necessary due diligence completed, it's time to make an offer. Your real estate agent will help you negotiate the purchase price and terms with the seller. Once your offer is accepted, you'll typically enter into a purchase agreement. This legally binding document outlines the terms of the sale, including the purchase price, closing date, and any contingencies. Secure your financing. Your lender will finalize your loan and provide you with a loan estimate outlining the terms and conditions. Review all closing documents carefully with your attorney before the closing date. This includes the deed, mortgage, title insurance policy, and other relevant paperwork. At closing, you'll sign all necessary documents, pay closing costs, and officially become the proud owner of your very own piece of land. Congratulations! Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Buying land can be a rewarding experience, but it's not without its potential pitfalls. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can navigate the process with greater confidence. One common mistake is skipping the research phase. Failing to thoroughly research the property, zoning regulations, and neighborhood can lead to costly surprises down the road. Another pitfall is neglecting to get a land survey. A survey is crucial for confirming property boundaries and identifying any encroachments or easements. Not having a clear understanding of your financing options is another common mistake. Get pre-approved for a loan early on to avoid delays and ensure you're shopping within your budget. Lastly, failing to hire experienced professionals like a real estate agent, attorney, and surveyor can lead to costly oversights and legal complications. While it's tempting to navigate the land buying process on your own, seeking professional guidance can save you time, money, and potential headaches. A skilled real estate agent will act as your advocate, guiding you through each step of the process, from identifying suitable properties to negotiating the best possible price. A reputable real estate attorney will ensure that your legal interests are protected. They will review contracts, conduct title searches, and handle all legal aspects of the transaction. A licensed surveyor will accurately determine the property boundaries, identify any easements or encroachments, and provide you with a detailed survey report. Don't underestimate the value of experience and expertise. By assembling a team of trusted professionals, you can approach the land buying process with confidence, knowing that you have the support you need to make informed decisions. Let's take a look at a real-life example of a successful land purchase. Sarah and John, a young couple, had always dreamed of building their dream home on a spacious piece of land. They started by defining their objectives and budget. They wanted a peaceful rural setting within a reasonable commute to their jobs in the city. After months of research and property viewings, they found a beautiful 5-acre lot that met their criteria. They hired a real estate agent to represent them and a surveyor to confirm the property boundaries. Their attorney reviewed the purchase agreement and conducted a thorough title search. After a smooth closing process, Sarah and John were thrilled to finally own the land where they would build their dream home. Their careful planning, research, and reliance on professional guidance ensured a successful and rewarding land buying experience. Owning land is more than just a financial investment. It's an investment in your future, your family's legacy, and the realization of a long-held dream. Imagine the pride of watching your dream home take shape on a piece of land that you own. Picture yourself passing down this valuable asset to future generations, creating a lasting legacy for your family. Buying land is a significant decision, but with careful planning, thorough research, and the guidance of experienced professionals, it can be a smooth and rewarding process. Remember to define your objectives, establish a realistic budget, and thoroughly research potential properties. Seek professional guidance from a real estate agent, attorney, and surveyor to ensure your interests are protected. Don't be afraid to ask questions, negotiate terms, and take your time to make informed decisions. Owning land is more than just a financial investment. It's an investment in your future, your family's legacy, and the realization of a lifelong dream. Embrace the journey, and soon you'll be standing on your own piece of the earth, ready to build the future you've always envisioned. Don't forget to subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more insightful content.